weird thing about it was that the car, as soon as I turned the key onto accessory, you would see the needle go straight from all the way down, from below cold to hot. Not to the red part, just like pretty high, but not enough where it shows that it's overheating. So right now I'm driving a 1991 Honda Accord, which is my daily for now. I've been working on it. This was one of the problems that you can fix on any car basically, especially if it's an older car too. You don't have that many electronics, so there's less things that can really go wrong. So what happened here was that I decided to change the thermostat. So in this video I'll show you how to do thermostat. I did the video really quick. I try to do it as fast as possible without much talking during the whole procedure. It's just basically a 10mm socket wrench. I showed you it's just 2 bolts. I'll show you in the video where it's at. I'll show you how to put the thermostat, what side to put in first, and how to put the seal, because you have to have the seal as well. How to put it back on there. You just remove your air intake hose that goes to the box into the manifold. You don't have to remove the whole thing. You just remove one side, and then you kind of bend it, as I will do in the video. So then after that, I will also show you the results, which is now my car is running perfectly fine. After turning it on a couple more times, it kept doing the same thing. It kept going up from cold all the way to hot. And then eventually, I'm not sure what happens there, if the computer has to reset or something. But now the car turns on fine after about the 4th time that I reset the car on and off. So let's get to it. $10mm wrench, thermostat housing, left side of the engine. There's 2 bolts. There's another one that holds some grounding wires over here. You don't need to remove that. And here's your thermostat. When you put it in, there's these 2 things right here which match up to those 2. You just put it in. Get your 10mm, tighten it back in. There should be no gap in between the housing at all if you put the gasket right. That's it. All right guys, so here's the car. After the change of the thermostat, I've been driving it. It stays that steady, consistent temperature right in the middle. That means we're good. That means no more signals of overheating, even though the car never overheated, but it was just going into the red, and it didn't know how to act. So now it's where it's supposed to be. So now I'm happy. Hopefully this helps you guys out as well, and if anything else pops up, I'll fix it. Probably the next video is going to be fixing the sensor for the seatbelt, because I keep getting this beeping sound every time I get in the car. So I'll get that on video, and then I'll help you guys figure that out as well.